So welcome guys. Today I'm going to talk about how to create a ER diagram easily for your academic purpose, right? So for that I'm using Grok AI that introduced by the Elon Musk belong companies, right? So let's go for the process. First you can upload one of your document that you have created for your project proposals or any kind of proposals that contain the description of your details of your scenarios, right? So then you can type on here. I'm typing on here, check the proposals and create suitable diagram. I'm telling that especially ER type of diagram, right? Let's then click this submit button, right? And it will analyze your document and build in the scenario, right? On just like this. It analyzes the entities and relationships and attribute, right? And assumptions, right? So he generated the total content of ER diagram and providing a relationship for you, and he generated this type of generation code for you, right? You can see on the your right side there was some code generation, but not totally the ER diagram. So uh, he gives some instruction that you can go for the marmaid.live website, right? So you need to go for the marmaid.live website. So then you can select these generated code and paste on there, right? So if you paste this code onto the marmaid.live website, you can easily generate the ER diagram. That's the instruction he said, right? So I'm clicking the link, right? Marmaid.live. Let's see. In here you can copy the code and you can paste the code on here, right? Easily, right? Just like this. Now you can see the whole ER diagram were built on here, right? You can zoom out and you can zoom in and watch the content, right? But if you need to be download the ER diagram, you have to be sign in with your Gmail or GitHub, right? So I'm going for the sign in process. Right now you can see I have signed in for the this Marmite live website, and you can see there was a code in the left side and right side. You can see the link, right? So in here you can download this diagram. uh, just copy in the SVG link in the bottom line, right? And you can paste in your different tab. So you can see the diagram and you can just right click on the desktop, so the screen, and you can take a screenshot on there. So you can select which type of screenshot you needed, and just like this you can download the easily the diagram, right? Just within 2 or 3 minutes you can easily create the ER diagram, right? That's how work on with the Grok AI, right? So this one is better than I think ChatGPT for generation different kind of scenarios for the ER diagram, right? Just like this you can see the complete ER diagram using Grok AI, right? So if you have any questions you can comment on the video down sections, right?